Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Market Update. Today is February 13, 2023, and everything is going as planned. Starting with SPY, here's my target. You can see on daily there's this downward trending line. You can see there's resistance here, here, and now we are moving up. Everything is going as planned. My targets for taking profits are 421. There's a gap here, so I'm expecting this gap to fill. And then if you look at 1 hour chart in my previous videos, my other target is 428. And tomorrow is key day. Tomorrow is CPI day, so we could get a big pump or big dump. Charts are telling me bullish. We have a full bull zone here. You can see all moving averages are lined up to the upward side, and you can see 200 is at the bottom, 50 SMA is on the top, followed by 50 EMA, then 20 SMA, and also today we closed above 10 green line, 10 SMA as well. So these all these moving averages are pointing up with separation in each one. So this is a very bullish chart, guys. Okay, so even if we get a dump, listen to me, even if we get a dump and then we go to this trend line here, we should pick up. Okay, we should still go higher, so be mindful of that. I don't expect a big dump tomorrow, and if we do pump, my targets, like I said before, my targets to profit are 421 to 427. We might fill this and then go down, we might go higher and then go down. Just be mindful, start taking profits as we start filling this gap. Okay, triple Qs, same thing, going higher. My targets are 322 and 328. Once we fill that, we'll have a dump. There's also a downward sloping trend line on daily, so keep an eye on that. Tomorrow I'm expecting a big move. It's going to be 8:30 a.m. Eastern, so be ready both sides. If we dump, be ready to buy the dip. Okay. Futures, I already covered others, so futures are behaving exactly as I said. I will show you something which I told you guys on my previous video. Look at the divergence. Look, we were going down on Friday, and then we had divergence on RSI and PPO, which I shared in my other video. So look, PPO was going higher, okay, RSI was going higher, okay, price was going lower, okay. So that was an indication we'll have a pump, and I shared this with you, so I'm sure you all might have made a lot of profits today, so congratulations to everybody. Tesla, today it was down a bit. It was at one point down 5%, a bit scary, but nothing to worry. I told in my previous videos we are following this nice trend line. Okay, we found support exactly at that trend line. If I hide this SMA chart, you can see, look how beautiful this trend line is. Support, 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 and again we found support. Sorry, let me get rid of this. We found support again today, exactly where we anticipated. So today was a good day to buy Tesla, right on support. All right, I am expecting there to get big gaps here. There's a gap around 238, and then there's a big gap around 265. I do expect them to fill. If tomorrow we get a really bullish CPI data, then let's see, can we fill it tomorrow? No, that's a big of a gap. 20% is a lot to fill tomorrow, but yeah, we will inch towards that. Okay. Apple is nice. Apple is also following my support. Okay, following. You can see Friday we closed on support, bounce again. We are above this support I discussed in detail on my last video. Planning to go higher. My targets are here for 156. Maybe go above, slightly above that, and then dump. And I have to probably make a trend line here. If we do dump, you can make a trend line like this. Okay, if we do dump, you can Apple can can try to find support here. Okay, somewhere here, depending on when we get there in March, and then we rip higher. All right, if you're long, you don't, and you cannot day trade, you don't have to worry about these corrections. Just hold your positions and don't worry, eventually it's gonna go up. Okay, just be mindful of that. VIX had a very bad day. Look at let me get back my moving averages. VIX like dumped really bad. You can see this daily 50 SMA line. We closed below that. We were not even able to close above that on Friday, and also today we are dropping. So that's an indication. This 50 SMA daily line is a key moving average line. You have to keep an eye on that. So this is bullish. Okay. US 30, which is Dow Jones. Look how we were trying to break out today, closed right on top. We slightly closed above that, slightly, very slightly. Maybe if I can do my trend line a bit like this, we're right there. So it's ready to pop higher. Okay, so tomorrow we could go to new highs. US 2000, same thing, expecting it to touch these highs and then go back to this trend line and then move higher. Oil, oil was good, nothing to worry in oil. A couple of days ago, we dumped. We found support on 50 daily SMA line, and now we are moving higher. Today was just a minor small dip, but still, I'm expecting now next target is 82. Go there, find a little bit of sell off, and then my main target is $92. Okay. Natural gas had a bad day. One thing I told you guys, look at this 4-hour chart, and I will only be bullish until I'm above this 4-hour SMA line, okay? And today we had a dump and we recovered at the end, and we are right now there, right on there. So keep an eye on that. As soon as we close above this 50 SMA line, which is around 2.5, okay, you can buy it, okay? Until as long as we are not above that, it's bad. I wouldn't recommend buying it, okay? Still, it's not bad. We back tested it. We back tested this trend line, okay? You can see here we back tested this trend line. We broke out, back tested, and now we are going higher. So today could be just another back test. There's a support here. Okay, if you draw a horizontal line, so you can find some support here. Okay, we're finding support. There could be a slightly more dip and then go higher, but so far it's all okay. Nothing to worry about in natural gas. Bitcoin, again moving towards my target. I told you guys before, target is around 20,000. So still selling off, looking for a rip tomorrow. If Nasdaq and S&P 500 goes higher with better CPI data, then they should also rip higher. It could go even as high as this, okay, and then dump. Okay, be mindful of that. Ethereum still down. It could go as high as 1700 and then dump. So keep an eye on that. Gold going exactly as I planned. Sell off today, and now we are looking for this target 1790 to 1800 to buy gold miners. Dollar had a bad day today. It closed above. This looks like a fake out lows, closed above this daily 50 SMA line on Friday, and today we are below that again. Okay. So I do expect short term when there will be a sell off in SPY. Okay, once we go down, I do expect dollar to go higher. So that's why I have this green line. When dollar goes higher, stock market goes down. Okay, so but short term we might find support again, go sell off a bit and then bounce. But eventually, I'm looking for this daily 200 SMA line, blue line to find rejection there and then go down. Okay. I think that's about it. That's the main. Oh yeah, one thing also TNX, which is treasury yields. Um, Today had a sell-off. Okay, so this is also interest rates. So I think we might be almost done here. We're probably gonna go and see a bit of sell-off here as SPY and Nasdaq try to reach new highs. Okay. And then last thing, this chart here I want to share. This is my gold chart. I do expect 42.84 to touch. Okay, let's see when that happens. It could happen tomorrow. As soon as purple line is where I usually sell, and below purple line is best place to buy. So if we get close to 42.80, I'll be selling all my positions. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for me. Like and subscribe and share with your friends and family if you like my video.